In this video, I will show you step-by-step process to recreate of his resume template using Microsoft Word with some twist. Plus, in the end of the video, I will provide some breakdown and resume tips as well as customization tips, how to use this template according to your need, because simply copy this will not benefit you. First, open Microsoft Word, go to Layout, select Margin, select Narrow option if you have many information to put, or you can select Normal option, or adjust according to your need, but make sure it looks professional. Then go to Size, select A4 option, and whenever you print this format, make sure you choose A4. I am adding sample name, select Enter, select both line, now choose no space option here, then make the name bold and amp. Big, give some twist if you want, make sure it's its middle position, then add address, contact number, mail, and LinkedIn profile link. You can write this or use icon like this. You can add from the Microsoft Word if this icon are installed, or you can download symbol from internet, like I do from this website. Now select Insert, select Shapes, select Text Box, or select Insert, select Text Box, draw text box, adjust it with margin, then paste the education section here. Select no space option again to make space. If it's already not done, make adjustment, then give some twist if you want. Adding honors and AMP award sections, highlighting, then add coursework, adjust it. You can add educational coursework related to industry or training here, or you can add some extra certification section here. Then you can add interest or hobbies to break down cold interview environment. Now, select again, insert, select text box, draw text box, make adjustment, add skill section here, make some adjustment, make front this bold font with 12 and normal font with 11. You may think, where did I get this dot this big? It called bullet dot symbol, copy it and paste it, or you can choose this option, pipe symbol. Check this, which one looks better. To recreate, I am following the same. Add job experience. He adds company name, job title, duration, skill, and job description. And I am not writing all this information. I think you got the template format or how to create this format, so adding the image looks fine. He writes the job description, considering 3 things. Let's break it down. He himself suggests this strategy to write down the job description. What did you do? How do you do? What was the impact? In his resume, he write what he do, how did he do follow this section, and the result-oriented matrices. In his below, you clearly see the state mark. You can write the job description following this format too. Assign task, key contribution, and AMP. Result with metrics to make it short. While I am doing some customization, meanwhile you can subscribe my channel, like, share, or comment. It will inspire me more to publish video like this in YouTube, so that everyone can learn freely. Plus click on the notification button so you will get notified as soon as I publish new video. By the way, based on this resume model, I created another resume model like this. If you like, you can check it too on my next video. I will give the link in the description. By the way, this is the original video of Resume Owner. I am adding the link in the description. He provides some very important insight. Some tips. Don't push unnecessary things. Just because you do something doesn't mean you have to add it in resume. Sometimes little is better, but make it precise. Because at first glance, recruiter or HR manager only take 8 seconds to 2 minutes to read a resume. Make sure it's easy to read and eye-catching for showing your skill set, AMP, expertise, and experience that matches with job description. I hope you enjoy this video, by the way. If you are too tired to do all this, you can hire me from Fiverr, LinkedIn, Legit. For free review, you can also email me, resumeproinsight@gmail.com. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. You can download the video or bookmark to watch it later. Thank you for watching this video.